the limits of form to express new and innovative musical ideas. At the same time, they have also often returned to forms of the past to reflect on the transformations they have undergone and to reconsider their meaning in the musical landscapes of their own time.
At the core of this program is the connection between Britten and Purcell. Britten was deeply influenced by Purcell's music, and his second string quartet was written to mark the 250th anniversary of Purcell's death. The third movement is a wild and highly inventive chaconne, a set of variations that threaten to break out of their form and highlight both Britten's and the performer's virtuosity.
Purcell's own Fantazias for viols were written around 1680, when the genre of viol consort music was already going out of style. Yet these works are full of extreme invention, with sudden changes in tempo and often shocking harmonies.
Schubert's Quartettsatz may at first glance seem like the most traditional piece on the program, but within a standard sonata form, Schubert explores vibrant colors and ferocious extremes of emotion. Written in 1820, Quartettsatz paved the way for Schubert's mature style in his final monumental quartets, which even further stretched the limits of what a string quartet could be.
Two contemporary works look back towards music of the past. In Three Rameau Pieces, Joey Roukens does more than simply arrange Rameau's keyboard works. He instead reimagines them for string quartet, exploring new colors and sounds so that we hear Rameau's pieces with fresh ears.
Herron's 3 Sarabandes were written for the Argus Quartet in 2017. In Molly's own words, these 3 pieces meditate on the long history of the Sarabande and its transformation over time as details are lost and replaced, guided by our imperfect yet resourceful human minds.
Incredible, resourceful minds of these 5 composers, New Sounds, Old Forms takes us on a journey spanning nearly 4 centuries, inviting us into a vivid dialogue across musical eras.